In this video we are going to talk about the best punching bag in this year, which is TechTool's punching bag. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Build skills and have fun. The kids' punching bag toy can provide hours of entertainment. Great boy toys as kids' exercise equipment keeps kids trained and builds their confidence. It will raise the heart rate to give them a great workout. The boxing bag helps build timing and speed, improves hand-eye coordination. Oncoming fist punching bag for kids. Our full punching bag with stand for kids set is super easy to set up and includes everything you need for a boxing session. The inflatable punching ball speed bag comes with a durable base, spring-loaded adjustable shaft, a pair of comfortable kids' boxing gloves and inflation pump for your boxing ball. Oncoming fist adjustable height stand for your convenience. The height of the punching ball stand is adjustable from 35 inches to 50 inches, perfect for kids ages 5 to 12. Easily adjustable to fit everyone's needs. Oncoming fist springs back in place with ease, designed for optimal and safe use. Our freestanding boxing bag features a strong, durable spring at the base of the shaft. This allows the spring-mounted punching bag with stand for kids to bounce back into position every time after every hit. Oncoming fist premium quality, stable and durable, constructed with attention to detail and top quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. You can set up your inflatable punching bag on the grass, concrete, decking or anywhere you desire. Simply fill the freestanding heavy-duty base with 15 pounds of water or sand for stability. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.